What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Back in Camarillo. I haven't been here in a while. Do got a Nike outlet. They got a bunch of other shops here. Let's start at the Nike outlet and let's look around. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button, and if you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button. They do have an interesting sign out front. Is this all marketing mumbo jumbo, or do they got some real deals? All right, let's go find out. So we are doing a midweek visit. Don't do too many of those to the outlets. All right, let's go. All right, I haven't been out here in months and months and months, so I'm really curious to see what they got going on. This is the heat wall right here. They do have all of the undefeateds. Do they have multiple sizes? Who knows? But these are the Air Force One undefeated. Got the ambush ones right here. That's definitely interesting. Do they have multiple sizes? That's the question. These are all regular price. Speaking of collabs, do you got the Sakai's right here? Another one, the Sakai Blazer, and then the waffle Sakai's right here. Then they got the ones at the, was it the Gorge Greens? We got those bad boys right here. AJKO, is it Aqua or something? I don't know. Lucky Green 2s down here. These are all going for retail. Oh look, it tells you the sizes. Okay. Damn, they got a bunch of sizes. Wow. They're trying not to give the discounts. That's what it is. Okay. Yep, they got multiple sizes of looks like most of these. Yep, multiple sizes. So almost full size run pretty much. Okay. And then we do got 30% off the clearance section. The back wall right here. Let's look around. Starting with the 10 and a half, but do got some 11s. So we just saw these on the back wall, or on the heat wall with no discount, but you can get it right here with 30% off. Okay, size 11. Also got these Air Force One mids, $150. Like a certain angle, you're like, what are these Jordans? No, not really. Size 10 right here. Do got Zoom Flight 95. Going for 95. LeBron 2s, $150. Cosmic Unities, 110. More of these LeBron 2s. Is that retail though? That's interesting. Interesting Air Max 97s. It's a women's 10. Go for $130. It's actually a nice colorway. Dang, size 10, very, very, very slim. Man, Air Force 37 premium right here. 2 bills? That above retail? What the heck? Looks like these just came off the aisles. They got plenty of them. Size 9.5, $150. I guess we're going down in size. Got a leftover 10 right here, $180. Plenty of those Cosmic Indies. You got plenty of those Jordan 2s as well. Another size 9, size 8. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature is down to $90. Air Max 97's down to $140. Some pre-days right here. Is anybody looking at these? 110. Hirachi Craters down to $60. These are all size 8s. And more of these Air Max 97. This is size 7, $120. This area historically has always been like the 10, 10.5 right here. This is a size 11, 11.5, 12. So yeah, it looks like they got a lot more big sizes right now. Seeing tons of these Hirachis. And tons of these Air Force One mids. Seeing a lot of those in every size. Air Max 2090s, 11.5, go for 95. Oops, they put a women's size 12. Jordan Elevates. Dang, is anybody buying the Elevates? I've never seen anybody with these on feet. $125 for those. Soldiers, $60, size 12. After discount, $42, not bad. We've been seeing these Air Force One mids everywhere. What colorway is that? Summit White and Venice? The hell? It's like a super light pink. That's what I see. $90 for those. Vaporfly Next Percents. $260 full retail. Oh my goodness. I was like, I see some up-tempos. But yeah, the sprinting cleats version of those. Okay. Do you got the Zoom X up front? Looks like it has some sort of carbon fiber, or yeah, $180. Okay. Street Gatos, haven't seen these in a while. They're indoor soccer shoes, right? Yeah, indoor soccer shoes, definitely interesting. Good materials on this one, really soft. $70, size 13. Every size of these, size 13. Witness 6s, $70 for those. After the discount, not bad. Size 14 Huaraches. Those go for 90. Do got some Jordan 1 Low Golf, size 13, go for about 40. I just noticed my zipper was open. I was like, oh man, I'm looking like a creep walking around with my zipper open. Just random stuff. Air Max 1 Premiums. We've seen these a few times. Do these look like extra big on the size 14? Like 14s are big, but these look extra big. I don't know. Maybe it's a midsole or something. I don't know. But those don't look too bad. $170 to be able to get 30% off. Not bad. $150 for these. If you guys watch my channel a ton, really, I laugh at that deal. If y'all did miss that episode, I did get a Jordan 37 Low. I got it for $35 or something. My size. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature's going for 70. Size 15s. Size 16 right here. We're gonna jump to size 16. Do got the GT Cut 2s, $110. Vomeros, if y'all like to run, $90 for those. Another one of these Air Force One mids, $110. That's a size 12. Some Forces, Air Force One highs, $125. And then size 17 and up, or 16, not my bad, 75. Plus that, damn, that's not even discounted that much. All right, let's go check out the aisles. Do have a bunch of Team Jordans, Dub Zeros, $130. Those two Dub Zeros don't look too bad. Not a fan of all these other ones. Then I got the Max Auras and stuff. Do got the Hydro 6s and Jordan 12 Low Golf. That's not bad. Ooh, got some real retros here. Okay. Price sucks though. Starting to see these going down in price. We've seen these cheaper at the retail stores. We've also seen crazy deals on these on the back wall too though. And then more of these 2 trays. Yeah, no, they're Team Jordans. Do got some Cosmic Unities going down in price. These are the first one. They have the 2nd and 3rd gen one out already. Forever Present Soldier 14s. Hopefully you can find one of these with the 97 cents and then try to get that extra 30% off. LeBron Witness 7s. Another one of those. 3rd colorway. What is that? Almost all white. A light gray color. Black and white. Kind of a bluish. Kind of a bluish hue to the front. Then I don't think I've ever seen this. This is a Witness 7, but I don't think I've ever seen this colorway. Coming out with some wild colorways. Okay, I'm not digging that price though. MSRP. Immortality, the 1st gen. We've seen a bunch of these. $50 and $60. We've seen them go up and down in price. Okay, these are going for $150. We saw one in the clearance section earlier. You can get 30% off of that. Pretty dope. SB Alley-Oops. 2nd colorway of those. Blue and black. SB Ice Shods right here. These are pretty dope, especially with that price. Look at that. Normally, what are these, $100 or something? These aren't always right, so I don't always go buy them. Niger Free 2s. People were calling these the Homer Dunks. Homer Dunk Highs. Okay, only huge sizes left. What, 12.5 to 15. Got all kinds of dunks. This is an SE version, $125. I-85. These do have the better leather. This one's a little weird though. That one's a little weird. All white Forces. Black and white Forces with the tumbled leather. Got some suede ones. Okay. Got some red ones going for a crazy low deal. This is a quick strike too. Okay, some nicer leather. Okay. All black OGs right there. Some mid wheat colorway. Okay. Nubuck material. This is a hemp colorway apparently. Like a synthetic nylon type of thing. Black tumbled leather. Mid quick strikes. Man, that's a lot of Air Force Ones. Then we do got some Blazers. That's what I'm talking about. Air more up tempos. Man, As soon as we start seeing these going for under 100, I'm gonna have to grab a couple more. Freaking love those. One of my favorite silhouettes. Zoom Flight 95s. Another one of those. The trainers going down in price. Oh hell yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. Even the Cortez going down in price. Wow, really? Wow. I do have a homie who's way into the Cortez, but they don't have his size. So they don't have his size. 9.5 is the smallest size they got. Free run 2s. Really, remember like when these were like impossible to get because they all sold out? They do have the bigger size here, 11 through 13. Kukunis. Not the hugest fan of those, to be honest. Then another colorway right here. This spot does have like 2 different columns of rows. And then look, I've only gone from there to here. We still have the entire store. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to hit up the entire spot, but man, this is, I forgot how huge this place is, man. I'm gonna hit up a few other spots before this place closes, so yeah, probably not gonna be going everywhere. Air Max 2017s. Got an aqua colorway right here. Then got a light bone colorway. I thought these were the exact same, but they're slightly different. I don't know how, but the color code is different. I had to check because I was like, what's going on here? Why would they? Is this? Yeah, it's the same one. So, yeah, the slightly different. Kind of weird. Air Max 2090s, TWs. Better colorway of those right there. Okay. All right, they got so many Air Maxes here. I'm skipping a few of the sections. They got the Air Max 95s, Terra Escape 97s, Vapor Max 2021 Flyknits. Another one of those. Got a trio. Air Max Plus right here. Got 2021s. Haven't seen anybody talk about those in a positive way, I guess. Because people have been hating, I've been hating. Do got the Terra Escape 90s. Another colorway of those. More Air Max 90s. Price going down and down on these. Then more Air Max 95s. We've seen these interesting ones. They're kind of weird with all the stitching on it. Can't even feel the material. Because it is, I think it's like a suede material, but you can't really even feel it. Then another one of these. I do got the Metcon 8s right here. Ooh, that's a hell of a price. This is a Metcon 7s. Not much difference between the 7s and 8s, it looks like. Free Metcon 4s. Another one of those. They did have a couple of generic sections, so I skipped those. Do got Pegasus. Got 38s right here. More 38s. Look, 4 different displays of the same shoe. Wow. And do got more colorways of the 38s right here. This looks like the 39. An Infinity Run Flyknits, 90 for those. This one's an interesting colorway. That's interesting. This is going for 95. At least you get 30 off on top. But we've seen those way cheap. All right, they do have 40% off clearance apparel, and they do have a lot of apparel here. So let's see if we can find something. I really like these backpacks. I did look at them already. This is a Nike Air backpack. I guess I don't know, if you fall on your back, someone like pushes you, or you got some protection on the back right there. But yeah, these are normally $150 down to $80. If these go on additional sale, I might grab them. I've got air in the front and the back. I don't think it's very big though. Yeah, it's 1,000 cubic inches. Not the biggest. It looks pretty dope. It's something different. Is that a Giants replica uniform? Never seen this color. $135. I assume it's the Giants because there's the Golden Gate Bridge right there. Those of you guys that do watch a lot, y'all know I mess up baseball jerseys all the time. Baseball and soccer jerseys, always butchering those. But yeah, I do got some yoga. A yoga pullover going for $100. Nike shirt XL, $25 with another 40 off on top. Got some interesting colorful polos going for $35. ACG gear, weird pullover, $180. And this is like thin as hell though. That's the weird thing. And like you can actually see through it, so a bunch of wind's gonna go. I don't understand that. I guess it's for the summer. Maybe it protects you against the sun, maybe. I don't know. But there's a bunch of these colorful t-shirts. Just hella comfortable. Okay. Pretty dope pretty dope. Sweats right here, $45 to get that extra 40. I'm normally $100 or so. A little baggy though. This golf right here is just some golf stuff. Interesting. Khaki looking pants, super baggy. It is loose fit. Don't see that too much. $65 for those. Jordan probably designed those, right? Because Jordan still wears everything baggy. But yeah, $50 for these. Got the flight pants right here. Interesting material, $110 though, but you still get 40 off, so not too shabby if that's your thing. All right, we're gonna check out the shorts right here. Like, they have like a lot of sales, but I just don't see too many hot items. You know what I'm saying? Just really, their basketball shorts are like super thin. Prices are kind of eh. So I think that might be it, dude. That might be it. I didn't really have time to go over the women's section, but I do need to hit up as many shops I can. Like I told you guys, it's really dope to buy stuff off season. Cause look at this, you could find deals. I like these flight hoodies. Just this color's just a little weird. 95 down to 85. At least you get 30 off. You don't see too much Jordan apparel like this. This one's definitely interesting. 85 down to 75.97, so you do get an extra 30% off, or maybe 40% off. I don't know. Oh, it's 40% off clearance, so 40 off. I hate it when they do that. They have a sign right there, but the sign says fleece only. Because this is pretty dope. It's pretty dope. Dodgers shirt right there, $40. I think that's about it, man. I see a lot of red tags, but just not the dopest stuff. Not the dopest stuff. Dude got. Yeah, that's about it, dude. We're gonna wrap it up, dude. Hopefully it's not too short. I can never tell when I actually film these, but yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. Not the craziest, but yeah, let's go.